And today I will introduce you to one of Japan's most beloved traditional sweets. It looks simple, it smells amazing, and once you try it, you never forget it. Yes, today's topic is Mitarashi Dango. By the end of this video, you will know its history, how to make it, the different types, and even where to find the best ones in Japan. Let's go! Mitarashi Dango is a traditional Japanese sweet made from rice flour. Small round dumplings are skewered on a stick, grilled, and covered with a glossy sweet and salty soy sauce glaze. This balance of sweet and savory is very Japanese. Unlike many desserts, it's not overly sweet. That's why adults love it too. Key points. Made from rice flour. Grilled, not just boiled. Soy sauce-based glaze. Eaten warm or slightly cooled. Mitarashi Dango has a long history, going back over 600 years. Its origin is linked to Shimogamo Shrine in Kyoto. At the shrine, bubbles once appeared in the Mitarashi pond. People believed these bubbles were sacred. The shape of dango was inspired by those bubbles. Historical notes. Origin, Kyoto. Connected to Shinto rituals. Originally offered to gods. Later became street food. Eating Mitarashi Dango was once a way to feel closer to the gods. Food in Japan often connects daily life and spirituality. Ingredients. Rice flour, 100 grams. Warm water, 80 milliliter. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Mirin, 1 tablespoon. Water, 2 tablespoons. Potato starch, 1 tablespoon. Step by step. First, mix rice flour with warm water slowly. The texture should feel like an urobi. Soft but not sticky. Roll into small balls. Boil until they float. Cool in what? Skewer usually 3-5 per stick. Grill until lightly charred. Coat with sauce and heat until glossy. That shiny glaze. It's the soul of Mitarashi Dango. Regional variations. Kyoto style, less sweet, more soy sauce. Kanto style, sweeter and thicker sauce. Charcoal grilled, smoky aroma. Soft boiled type, extra chewy texture. Modern variations. Honey glaze, brown sugar version, butter mitarashi. Tradition evolves, but the heart stays the same. Demi shops, Kyoto traditional Wagashi shops, local festivals at stalls. Convenience stores surprisingly good. My recommendation? Try one from a small local shop. The owner often grills them right in front of you. Afternoon snack. Festival food. With cream tea. Seasonal enjoyment. It's not just a dessert. It's a moment of calm. So, what do you think? Sweet or savory, would you try Mitarashi Dango? If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. See you next time, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.